Hey guys! The second iteration of Microsoft Surface Duo smartphone has released today. On papers, the new Surface Duo 2 fixes many of the flaws of the previous generation and is a far more complete offering, especially given the price point. Many rumors circulated about this device, but Microsoft has finally unveiled it, and we will learn more about it and its specification today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The Surface Duo 2 has a hinge that connects to 5.8 inches AMOLED display, allowing you to open it like a book or stand up like a tent. It is a very different technique than Samsung's folding phones, which have a single huge screen that can be folded in half. The two displays together have a diagonal measurement of 8.3 inches with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects the display, which can achieve 800 nits of brightness. The bump up to 90 Hz of smoother scrolling is a new feature on this device. When the smartphone is folded, the curves are visible from the outside and illuminate to signify notifications. There were many reports that the Surface Duo 2 will use the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, however this didn't happen. The device will come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, 128, 256, 512 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM. All are included in the new Surface Duo 2. The latest model comes pre-installed with the Android 11. Despite the fact that this is a foldable phone, the camera specifications are quite impressive. The back camera has been upgraded to the triple lens set. It now has a 12 megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens. You may also record videos at up to 4K at 60 fps or 1080p at 240 fps. The Surface Duo 2 also works with the new Surface Slim Pen 2, which can be charged by magnetically attaching into the device's exterior. The phone has the 4449 mAh battery, which does not allow wireless charging, but it does come with a 23-watt USB Type-C fast charging, which you must purchase separately. Now let's get down to the business with the pricing. The Surface Duo 2 has a starting price of $1,500 and it's currently available for pre-order. It is available in Glacier and a new Obsidian color. What do you think about this device? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment area. With that said, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.